A quick demonstration of using the geometry cleanup tools in the virtual topology for quad meshing as well. Take a look at this little surface right here, and we'll just set up some mesh sizing right in this little area. We'll make it 1. I'll turn the curves on. We'll take a quick look at that mesh sizing. Now, right now you can tell, quad mesh would just be a mess right down here in the corner because of that little surface. So let's look at some of the tools we can use to lay down a better one. I'm going to use the composite curve tool, and basically you pick a point, and FEMAP makes it a composite curve, and it also had to combine the two connected surfaces. And we'll do the same thing up here. This curve split up, so now we've made him into one curve. So at this point we've got a nice better shaped area to mesh. I'll just come in and lay down a mesh on here, and we'll just use plot only elements. Don't even want to create a property right now. But now you'll see it lays down. I'll turn up the surfaces and we can see it lays down a pretty good quad mesh. And we could also play some games here with just making sure it's a map mesh. So I'll check my mesh sizing, and I'm going to update the mesh sizing automatically. So down at this end I have 7 elements. This end I have 4. So if I run him up to 7 and match it on this side as well, there's 16, actually 15, and this guy's 8. So let me run him up to, and you see some of the automatic map meshes FEMAP's coming up with. If I run him up to 15, you'll see that now we get a nice map mesh all over. So we basically use some virtual geometry or topology to get a better shape to mesh on, and then meshed, and we'll just check the quality, and it looks like all the elements are good as well. So it's a great way to take geometry and idealize it so you get a perfect shell mesh.